Do you want to customize your folder color from yellow to blue and to red to easily identify and organize your files? Then you are at the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly just that. But before we dive in, if you are new to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification icon for more tech tips. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you. So to customize your folders, we'll be needing an application called Folder Maker. So I'm going to take you through the steps to download and install the Folder Maker and how to use it, okay? So to download the Folder Maker, you open your browser. I'm going with Chrome. You can open any browser of your choice. So I'll click on the Chrome, then I'll click on Google. Then I'll search for Folder Maker. Then I'll enter on my keyboard. Then I'll go with the first option, Folder Maker. So I'll click on that. And then we are at the home page where we can do the download. So you can see from here, download now. In my case, I already downloaded the file. So I'll go straight with the installation. So let me close this and go to my downloads where I have my file. And then this is the file, okay, I've downloaded. So I'll double click on it to initiate the download, the installation. Then I'll click on yes. So welcome to the Folder Maker Pro Setup Wizard. So I'll click on next. Then I'll accept to the license agreement. Then I'll click on next, then next again. Here you can specify a different location, okay? In my case, I'm going to leave the default. So I'll click on next, then I'll click on next. You can choose to create a desktop icon. Yes, I want to leave the default. If you don't want to create a desktop icon, you can uncheck the box and then you continue. But I want to create a desktop icon. So I'll go with the default and click on next, then install. So now it's installing the application. Okay, so it's finished installing the application. So let me click on finish. Then I'll close this and show you where I have my application. Okay, so here is it, Folder Maker. Okay, so we've installed the Folder Maker onto our machine. So now to use the Folder Maker to customize your folders, so let me create two folders here and name one. So to customize this folder, I'll right click on the marketing. So let me show more option. Then I'll go to the make folder. Okay, that is the folder maker we installed. So make folder, and then it gives me the side menu. So I'll just go to colors. So here I want to use green for the marketing. Okay, so I'll click on OK. It's processing. Now you see marketing has been changed to green. So let me change sales color to a different color. So I'll show more options. And then I'll go to make folder, okay? Then I'll scroll top to the top and choose a different color. So let me use brown. Then I'll click on OK. So now I'm using brown for the sales. Let me create one more folder and then I'll name it customer care. Okay, so I'll right click on the customer care. I'll go to show more options because I'm using Windows 11. Then I'll go to make folder. Then I'll go to colors and then I'll select a particular, you can use dark colors, you can use light colors, okay, per what you want to do. So I'll use violet, okay. So I'll click on okay. So I can organize my folders or my files per my folder colors. So I can paste anything in the marketing, sales, IT, and customer care. So you see, it's that quick and easy, okay. Please, if you find value in this video, kindly support my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell notification icon for more tech tips. And please share the video for others to watch.